What's up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant and this is Black Hut Design. Hi everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is Black Hut Design. This is my new channel, which is going to be focusing on woodwork and design projects from painting to 3D printing and so on. Just starting up this channel, I'm doing some renovations in my basement. As you could see in previous videos and some shorts that I put up, I will be chronicling everything that I pretty much do here on this channel here. I'm going to be starting some woodworking projects real soon. Start out with some basic stuff. Just give you a background on myself. I am a complete novice when it comes to woodworking. I know enough to get myself in trouble and build some very basic stuff, but I want to get better at the craft, and that's what this channel is for. I will be making mistakes when I do stuff. I will be doing stuff wrong. That's where you guys come in. Leave me comments. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know if there's a better way to do something. I'm like I said, I'm learning as I go when I do these things. So hopefully I get better. We'll see. But like I said, I still need to finish down here in the workshop. I need to finish setting it up. I still need to finish setting up my office, which is next door. Like I said, if you've been watching the video, you've seen these things. So that's where you guys come in. If you can, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom there. It will help out this channel a lot. If you are already subscribed, hit that bell icon. It'll give you a notification anytime that I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like a video. Leave me a comment. Like I said, that's what these videos are going to be for, to let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Let me know if I helped you with something. I quite possibly can, because this is for beginner woodworkers. So I'm assuming that there's more people out there like me. Hopefully there's more. In any case, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of who I am and what the channel is about. You can check out, I have a website. It's blackhutdesign.com. I am on Facebook. I am on Twitter. I am also on Instagram. So check out the work that I'm doing and let me know what you think. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know what sort of project you'd like to see me do. Anything that I can help you with or show you, whether it's a description of a tool or how to use something, because I'll learn how to do it and then hopefully I can show you how to do it. Hopefully that works. But anyway, like I said, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, hit the bell icon, give me a thumbs up, leave the comments below, and we'll be back to building some stuff real soon.